So, you know, they say, do it on your phone. Just do it on your phone. Don't worry about it. Just do it on your phone. Yes, that is very inspirational, but, you know, there's a lot of things that come with doing it on your phone. But let me not be negative. Let's get the ball rolling. Okay. Why is this not? Okay, there we go. Let me not be negative. That's good. And I'm bad like a Barbie. Girl, I just did my hair in. I don't think I like this cause but then you see her and I don't really want her all in my business cause she's like aggravating a little bit, but don't tell nobody else about that. Anyways, so I got me some grills. I said I got me some grills. Amazon sell them. Shein sell them. Temu sell them. I don't think Wish exists no more. Everybody sell them. Okay, so I wanted some real grills, but I'm saving though. I'm saving to get like real grills for like. So for now, I'm gonna try some, and I want to see how they look in my mouth. So I'm gonna try these, and they got a whole little list of things that you're supposed to be doing with them and how they work. Come like this. It's 2 in there. I think 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom, but I'm not using 2. I'm just gonna use 1. And then they give you this little clippy thing so you could dip it in water. That's what I need. I need to boil some water. Hold on, let me go boil. Okay, so I'm boiling my water. Chop up. I gotta chop up. Okay. I'm barefaced. I'm talking about barefaced. I'm barefaced, baby. Barefaced. So, I don't know, with people that shoot on their phone, do they go and buy another phone and then just like have a phone and shoot from a phone? Or do they just like shoot from their phone? Because I don't have no camera. My camera is been broke since yesteryear. And I stopped shooting for my YouTube. But now I'm back. And I'm back like I never left. So I'll be shooting from my phone until I get a camera. And this time I'm still trying to think like why am I even talking about this on this video? This video is about how to apply the grills, girl. Stay on topic. Girl, anywho, so I'm gonna get the smallest one. They got a long one. See, people calling. Somebody calling me right now. But I can't answer because I'm doing this. So this is the long one. And then there's a short one. Or are they the same size? You tell me. Because I don't know. Maybe they're the same size. Yeah, they actually are the same size. This mold, you have to put in hot water. You're going to dip it in the hot water. Oh, I'm shaking the table. She's shaking the table. Hot water until, okay, so this you have to put in hot water until it turns clear, until it runs clear, okay? So then when it runs clear, you'll be able to sit the gold and the mold, on your, see somebody else calling. I don't know. So you're supposed to be able to sit this on here like this, and then you know, look like Erykah Badu. But we gonna see. Good for your teeth. And I'm just like, okay, how am I supposed to check that? Because I remember when people used to suck they that's how I feel. Okay. This is good as it's gonna get. Like, it's not getting no better. Oh, I feel like a bit. I might say you, bitch. It's looking real dark skinned nigga. I'm looking like a dark skinned nigga. I'm looking like a dark skinned nigga. So y'all know how that is. That's potent. Now I say push the mold. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting the mold back in there. I took the mold out. Now I'm putting the mold back in there. It's like push the mold in there. Water. Can you tell it's hot? It's like keep it in there until it runs clear. Ooh, 11:11 on the clock, baby girl. 11:11 was on the clock, baby girl. Hey, cause this shit is not running clear. See, these instructions don't be checking the table though. Ooh, see, and that's what I don't want to do. It's not really clear. Girl, I just spilled the fucking water. Girl. So and it's another thing, like I'm shooting it this way, like my phone, I'm shooting it this way, because that's what they say. If you're shooting a YouTube video, you want to shoot it this way, not the phone way. But then, is the clip gonna come out right? Okay, like shrinkage. I had this keloid for I don't know how long. Nah, I got another keloid behind my ear. If you a bitch with keloid skin, bitch, I feel for you. But that shit is not no fucking joke. Like, bitch. A bitch really got a keloid. And it's just be getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But I'm gonna go get this shot up. My school stop at. I don't think it's gonna run clear. I'm gonna be totally honest. Oh, let's just try this shit. I'm not gonna keep. So this how it looks. Don't look clear to me, but maybe that's clear. Let's try it. Let's put this on my mouth now. Hey, Daddy.
Michelle, you still eating cookies?
She ain't never finished them cookies. I wonder if I should do the top ones then. You say you can't repeat the steps, but it's the thing though. Maybe that is supposed to show. I don't know. I said I would ride. I don't like this shrinkage right here. So, okay, let me see. So it says, it definitely gives you a list, but it says you can adjust or refit your grills by repeating steps 5 and 6. Steps 5 and 6 is to put it back in hot water, place the grills on your teeth, and press it down to the mold that you desire. So we could repeat it, but it's definitely giving dark skin, nigga, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm definitely here for it. So yeah, I see some real ones coming fairly soon. Ooh, I bitch can't talk with these. I'm gonna have to get used to this. But it's actually not that bad because I thought it would be worse because I watched somebody else's video and they could barely even talk, but I could still talk fairly good. It's just maybe like at a concert or something. I don't know if I wear this to like church. First of all, I won't be going to church, but I don't know if I would wear this to like, I don't know, work. I wouldn't wear it to work, but you know. Or I wouldn't wear it out to eat. Or you could take it out like how they did back in the day. Take it out, just take it out. So, yeah, I like it. That's cute. So yeah, y'all be seeing me because I need to like get some more videos going and stuff like that. Michelle's a hater. I'll be back on. This cute. I like this. I wonder if I should do the top though. With the top giving like Goody Mob. I don't really want that. So I'm gonna stick with the bottom. That's real cute. Yeah, I like this one. So I'm gonna get cute and then I'm gonna take a little picture or whatever. But that's cute. Yeah, y'all hit me. Look, somebody calling again. I don't know about this. But all right. Here, I got it from Temu. I can't remember if I said I got it from Temu. And I got this keychain. Look at my keychain. I had to show y'all my keychain before I left. It said, a wise woman A wise woman once said, fuck that shit, and she lived happily ever after. Very cute, G-Train. That came from Tina too, and they get that one for free. So. Huh? Come in, stay right here.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, I love you. Have a good day.
That's giving.